Hi guys, this is 2011 Ford Focus. It's a diesel engine. You can see in here is a common rail in here. It's a diesel injector lines. So I'm going to do today this car going to transmission fluid change. This one has a dual clutch transmission, the DCT transmission. So we need to off that this air cleaner cover. Need to fill the transmission fluid. So this car has a automated clutch. Okay guys, I can show you this plug. In here there's a 8mm Allen key. So this is not the filler plug, this one is it's a level plug. I can show you in the after for the filling plug. This one is the leveling plugs. We have to pour it all the fluid the top. So this is the number 8. This is the level plug. Okay guys, here's the gearbox underneath. So you can see the another two this is 8mm, two Allen key in here. One is here, another one is here. So we need to drain these two Allen keys for the draining, so the dual clutch. Okay, then drain the oil. Okay, this looks like pretty new. Okay, I'm going to drain the second one. Normally this transmission is getting 5.5 liter. The DCT transmission fluids. It's a special oil. Okay, that's the second bung. Okay guys, here's we're taking out the oil. You can see I can take it out in 6 liters. Okay, here's a level plug. There's no o-ring or nothing. Okay guys, you need to find the filler plug. You need to off the air cleaner housing, or the filter. The air filter, housing filter is coming here. And this one off. So then we need to off this cover. Strips in there. Okay, you can see the filler plug in here. There's also 8mm Allen key. You can see it's also number 8. Okay guys, here's a transmission filter. So you're going to off this transmission filter. It's a number 32 socket. Okay, So this is a cartridge filter. So you can see the filter housing. Okay guys, here's a transmission fluid. It's called DCT fluid. Okay, I got the 8 liters, but it needs 6 liters. So got the filter. So it's coming with the housing with the filter, new housing. Okay, I go in this like this. So before I put in the filter back in, I need add some fluid, little bit. Okay, then slightly in filter. Okay, like this. Let's come one orange in here. Okay guys, you have to tie it for the filter. It's a 15 Newton meter. It's a 15 Newton meter. I can show it. It's a 15 Newton meter. Okay, I'm going to tighten this 2 bolt. It's a 43 Newton meter. The bolt are same. Tight already. Yep. Okay. So we're going to put the oil. I put all the 4 liter in here. So you can see the oil is come through here. Okay guys, after that we run through the little bit gears. So after that I little bit put more oil until coming through there. All good. Now cross the bunk. Okay, this one also 43 Newton meter. I'll go now. Then after we have to put back this all the cover of the air clean housing. Okay guys, finally we did the transmission service. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you next time.